Have you ever imagined a molasses tidal wave sweeping through a city? On January 15, 1919, this bizarre and terrifying scene became a reality in Boston. A massive storage tank, filled with over 2 million gallons of molasses, burst unexpectedly. The thick, sticky substance rushed through the streets at 35 miles per hour, as if Mother Nature had spilled her syrup. Buildings and vehicles were swept away, and tragically, 21 people lost their lives in the cascade of sweetness. Rescuers struggled against the gooey tide, fighting against time to find trapped survivors. This peculiar disaster eventually led to changes in engineering standards and regulations. The Great Molasses Flood remains a sticky memory and a testament to the unexpected twists of history.